Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today on the agenda, well, first off, let me say sorry that it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video. I posted my Cape May vlog and then my birthday came around and I was gonna upload a birthday video, but then I was like, I have nothing. Like the day of my birthday, I didn't take any clips, any videos, any nothing. I was just truly enjoying the moment with my family and my friends. We went to the beach. We spent the day on the beach and just hung out. Everybody brought like a couple of like chips and fruit and foods and things like that. And we drank, we ate, we laughed, we sang, we danced, we jumped into the ocean. I got fucked up by the waves. I lost a necklace. Luckily not my favorite leaky necklace, but it was a good time. And I'm sorry I didn't bring you guys along, but I'm bringing you along today. Today, our plans, we are gonna go to brunch with my sister and my friend Tiff are going to someplace nearby. We're going to a place that has like vegan options for my sister, but also like options for people who are not vegan. And then we're gonna come back to my house and we're probably just gonna hang out, have a couple of drinks. I did get a new nightstand and we got a new bed set. But I wanna build the nightstands just because I have like 5 to 6 boxes in my living room right now and they are just taking up so much space. So I'd like to just take some time today with my friends, hopefully, to build up 2 nightstands. But we will see if they want to even do that. But yeah, I figured I would just show you the day, a weekend vlog where I bring you guys around, show you what I'm doing and call it a day because it's been a while since I've seen you guys or talked to you guys rather. I missed you. So I'll take you along and that's that. So I'll see you guys later. All right, cheers ladies. New location. Which blind box are we gonna choose? I don't know. Okay, look at these girls. Oh, they're little sleepy ones? They're so cute. Oh my gosh, wait. Pokemon? It's my first blind box.
Nikki's first blind box you could get from the bag.
We could get one of these. Ideally, I want her or her or her or her. That one, stay over there.
Okay, my girl.
What's speaking to me?
Yup. Yes, Lord. Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
All right, this is the one.
All right, your turn.
I'm so glad you did that because I didn't want to be annoying alone.
This is also his first blind box.
Yeah, something like I couldn't see was speaking to me. Oh, I'm nervous. What's she gonna be?
Love, okay. And
They
then
are all so cute.
For me, I'm gonna go with you guys as well. And maybe,
Grab
you know
something
what?
you can't see.
Grab from back. Sorry, we're not the annoying y'all. We are gonna fix this up.
We will put things back.
Yes,
Don't
we
worry.
will.
Look at us.
We are gonna organize it. We're gonna put it up in front. Yes, don't clock us. Thank you. Yes, yes. Okay. So we each got a block.
I'm so excited.
Okay, we're gonna open this later.
We fell victim to gambling.
We did, but this will be our one and only.
It might be more, but who knows? Okay, so
It will be more. We sat down. We're about to open our little things. Okay. All right.
So, we have our strange stories about dreams dolls. And the one I really want is Deja Vu, cute little pink ting. But I would be happy with literally any of these. But I don't want that ugly hoe. We hate her. We don't want her in here. If she's in here, I'm tossing this across the room. So
why do I feel like her luck is gonna give Crane?
We have to get you another.
No, we
I
would.
must go
No,
back.
and we won't pay for it. Me and John will split it. Like we feel bad.
this is alright. Give me Deja Vu. Okay. I'm not gonna look. I'm looking away.
I'm so scared. Why am I scared?
I'm so scared.
Why am I nervous? Why am I nervous? Why am
I can't even get it. Okay. Pony first.
I'm nervous.
Wrap it up. Wrap it up. We don't care about her. That's crazy. That is crazy. The silence said everything. Like, nobody breathed. No one did anything. I was like, oh, it's the crazy.
Show it.
That's crazy.
My girl, we really will buy you a new one. We know we gotta.
Mama.
You have the vanilla mace slug. You literally have the vanilla mace slug.
Why'd you do me like that?
What are the odds you get 2 in a row?
No.
Right.
No. Okay, let's look at it. Let's truly look at it.
It's not bad.
She's not bad. She
but-
got a little mask.
It's the mask that really kills me. I really hate the mask.
I don't like the mask.
Yeah, I don't like the mask
Now that I see
either.
it,
She's like not bad. Oh, but put the mask on and then we're gonna. Let's get her a new one. Let's get her a new one though. We're going back. We're going back. Oh hell no! I'm about to be pissed. Yuck.
Yeah.
Give her
Oh,
an
shame her.
Tomato.
The silence though is killing me.
Crazy.
The silence is killing. Why did I have a feeling it was the crane
Can you put
though?
her back into frame?
Joker. All right. Okay.
Look how cute. Chili paste. Whatever that is.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
Wait, not the.
Very cool.
Oh,
Oh my girl. Do you remember the moment when you were? What do you think of the lychee? Oh, so it's mango and then lychee pop boba in the bottom.
I didn't get
Yogurt. Yeah, it's better than the tapioca. Make that too. Make that too.
Ariel. You know, I was talking about this morning, she was like, you going with the girls? And I was like, yeah. And then she.
Show us your booty.
yes. We're at the 3rd annual Iron and Ivy Tavern party. We're gonna have a great day. We're like the first ones here, so it's very empty. I got a couple of clips and stuff because, you know, I don't like to put people who don't want to be in a video. So, but I'll insert the clips after here and whatnot. But we're gonna play a bunch of games. We're gonna have like lots of lore going on, a lot of storytelling. That's the vibe of this party, and I always have a great time. So I'll show you guys what we get up to. Getting swindled right now.
You're so vocal. Jeez, sir, could you relax? That's so nice. That's so nice. Hi, look what we got for you.
We got some food for you. Oh,
Yummy. He's like, I'm out of here. Hello. Get it.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Mission complete.
Oh.
Get the other one.
Get it, quick. They're so mean to each other.
And they're babies.
They're just babies. Come on. Whoa, mister, put your head back in there. What are you doing? Okay, all right, here.
He's trying to steal.
Ow, you bit me, you little... They're so cute. You want to take another one?
Not just the three of you.
Here, somebody come over here. Yeah, there you go.
No, not you.
Yo, he's greedy.
Here,
He's so greedy, you
White
guys.
bunnies are nice.
Yeah, he's a sweet little baby. Here, somebody could take one of this. Here, you take that. I'm sorry. No, he snatched it. Oh, he's drinking.
Hey, little guys.
Can't have this.
Hi, little guys. Somebody flung their poop at us. What you doing over here? Hi, little babies. Hi. I got nothing for you.
Oh my God, no.
They know you got the.
I know that you got the bucket. In the spider webs. Low-key hate this. You know, if you know me, you know I hate spiders. And what if there's a real spider in this? Walking through a whole ass spider tunnel. Ow, my hair. We did it.